Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to add TikTok Pixel on Shopify. First, go to the Shopify admin website on the web browser. Make sure to log into your account. In the left panel, click the Add Apps tab. Now, click the Shopify App Store option at the bottom. Here, search for TikTok Pixel in the search bar to find the app. It'll show you various apps related to TikTok Pixel search. Next, select the TikTok app from the given app options. If this isn't compatible, you can choose another app. Go back and select the Facebook Pixel TikTok Pixel app. Then, click the Install button to get it on your store. After that, hit Install again to start installing it. If you are ready to boost, then click Open Dashboard. It'll show you all the pricing plans, so select the free plan by pressing Select Plan. This app needs App Embed, or you can skip it for later. From the left panel, select the Pixel Manager tab. Next, reach the TikTok section and click Create TikTok Pixel. You can log in with TikTok or fill in the required details to create it for the Shopify store. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.